Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can improve the audio quality using Filmora. I'm going to show you the setting for voice recording, and then later we are going to use the setting for music recording. So anyway, let's get into it. So first, I'm going to use this voice recording, which is my own voice that I prepared for this video. Let's play it. This is my voice without any voice beautification. Alright, let's put it into the timeline. I'm going to duplicate this clip so we can compare it later. Let's color this red, and then this is still green. Okay, that's okay. Now let's click on this clip and then open audio, and then under basic section, you'll see that there are many audio settings that you can apply to this clip, but honestly, at least from my experience, usually we only play around with a few settings here. So usually the setting that I would like to enable is auto normalization. This will make sure that there is no audio that's too loud or too inaudible in the clip. And I usually increase the volume by about 2 dB. And also the equalizer. This is actually good for music, but it can also be applied to voice recording. The setting that worked for me is sparkle, rock and roll, and techno. So the three settings that, at least in my opinion, works best to my voice, but for everybody else it could be different. So you have to try and see which setting is the best for you. Anyway, let's select techno, and I would like to enable normal denoise as well, since there is not much noise when I'm recording this. So let's set it to minimum, like 10%, and wind removal. I actually open my window when recording, so this is a good idea to make sure that the wind is not audible in the final recording. Anyway, I'm going to play it and we will see the result. This is my voice without any voice beautification. This is my voice without any voice beautification. Okay, that's pretty good, but let's try using AI. So there is a new AI feature that will speed up everything, so we don't have to manually select all of them. Let's change the color to, let's say, blue. And what you need to do is you have to open audio basic, and you have to enable AI voice enhancer, so you can adjust the voice clarity and voice beautification. But let's try the default setting. So I'm going to play original, and then basic setting, and then AI setting. This is my voice without any voice beautification. This is my voice without any voice beautification. This is my voice without any voice beautification. Alright, so what do you think? Which settings is the best? I think both manual and AI settings are okay, they sound great. So it's really up to you. It's very subjective which settings is the best, but in my opinion, maybe I'm a bit biased here, but this setting, the one that I set manually, sounds a bit better, perhaps because I can control the area of the audio that I want to improve. But anyway, that's for voice recording. Now, how about music? Music will be different. Of course, we cannot apply the same setting to the music using the same setting as from voice recording. So let me remove this, and I have this music that I have prepared. So I'm going to play a few seconds of this clip so we can get a better idea about how it sounds. It's not bad. It is actually made by AI. So, there is no noise in the background because, it's not being recorded in a studio. It is really just music made by AI. But we can change it a bit, we can improve the quality if we want to. So again, click on the audio clip, and then I would like to enable auto normalization again, and I would increase the volume by about 2 dB again. And when it comes to AI voice enhancer, it is not necessary unless maybe there is vocal in your music, but even that I do not recommend that. Also, normal denoise and wind removal are not necessary because this is made by AI, so there is no noise in this audio clip. But equalizer is very interesting. This is something that we can play around, and you will see which setting do you think is the best. So I'm going to play it, and we're going to adjust the equalizer at the same time, and you'll see it's up to you to decide which setting is the best. So yeah, that's basically how we can use equalizer for music. Now it's very subjective again, but at least from my opinion, from what I can tell, I think the dance mode is definitely better for this particular song. But of course, for your audio, for your music would be different. So yeah, that's basically it. That's basically how you can improve the audio quality for voice and also music recording using Filmora. Anyway, if you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.